DFY Suite 3.0 is a backlink builder that uses its own database of high-authority websites, social accounts, and bookmarking sites to build powerful backlinks that boost your rankings. You do not need to create accounts manually. You will be connected with the software and you can show your content on top of search engines. You can have more traffic in days. DFY Suite 3.0 is a new and improved version of the previous DFY Suite. It is more powerful than the original DFY Suite and includes new features that make it better than the original. This new version 3.0 has made it so that websites and YouTube videos can rank in all languages, even if they don't have many views. This will allow people who speak different languages to be able to see these things, and it will make more people able to find them. 5x the sites, 5x the authority, 5x the ranking power than the previous version. Now you can get global rankings using the multilingual feature. Servers and IPs have been extended, which will help us get higher rankings at the global level searches. Improved AI content engine will make 100% unique content for each and every backlink submission. It has removed all barriers when it comes to quality content syndication. DFY Suite 3.0 is better, faster, and more irresistible. DFY Suite 3.0 review. How does it work? Step 1. First, you will need to log in. Type in your username and password. Step 2. You need to submit the websites that you need to be syndicated for getting backlinks. Step 3. Hit submit and the software will go to work. It will start building backlinks for you. Step 4. You will get a report of all the backlinks to your website, which you can copy and paste, or DFY Suite will index them. DFY Suite 3.0 review. What are the new features? 5x more power and authority. Version 3.0 is better than version 2.0 because you can post your content on many more sites with higher authority, so it is easier to rank for the same things, but in less time. New 3-step campaign submission system. The new version of DFY Suite 3.0 only asks you to do 3 simple steps. All you need to do is put your website or YouTube video URLs, enter the keywords you want to rank for, and choose how many links you want to build. That's it. Get global level rankings. I never saw this feature in other backlink software, which is securing global level rankings with the multilingual feature. DFY Suite 3.0 is now submitted your links on foreign languages too, which means you will get global rankings. Extended IPs and servers globally. DFY Suite 3.0 has more servers and IPs around the world. This will make your websites rank higher on Google. That is because Google always looks at how many referring IPs you have to rank you high on their list. The more referring IPs you have, the better your ranking will be. Content generation system revamped. Good quality content or links to your website from other websites is important. In DFY Suite version 3.0, the content generation system has been completely revamped. One of the changes was that it now integrates Create content generation software with DFY Suite. This means that all the links are unique and original. Speed up rankings with own private PBN. Building links from PBNs can help SEO. DFY Suite 3.0 has a lot of PBNs and they are all on different servers and IPs. This will make your websites and videos more powerful. Site details breakdown. DFY Suite 3.0 shows the information about their web network. You can see how many sites they have, how much power each website has, and what type of websites they are. .com, .net, .ru. This is all shown in a graph. See the image in the next part. DFY YouTube video embeds. DFY Suite 3.0 does automatic embeds of your YouTube videos. You just need to put a simple shortcode %video% in the content module to embed your YouTube videos automatically. You can find out how to use the software on the next few pages of my DFY Suite 3.0 review. My opinion. I used DFY Suite 3.0 and I feel like an expert in SEO. After using it for a few days, I saw proof that my ranking went up. All it requires is a few simple steps to build powerful backlinks that help your posts rank higher on Google search results pages. SERPs. I have attached screenshots of the proof, so you know this system works. You can use the software to see if you will rank on Google. I am telling you that backlinks are not the only reason to get high on Google. Backlinks help to rank, but good SEO is also very important. The combination of good SEO and powerful backlinks is like a beast.